Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 science class. Hope you all saw the offline videos in YouTube and follow the chapter weather. So in this chapter weather, this is at page number 53 and here we already discussed what is weather, about hot day, about cold day. So everyone open the next page, page number 54. Today we will discuss on your rainy day, a rainy day. So you already learned that what is weather, right? That which if we discussed with someone, or if we say that today is so hot or today is so cold, so we discussed about weather, about the climate, about the atmosphere. So that all are weather. And if it is hot day, so that means it is summer season. Most probably it will be summer season and you already learned about it. And the cold day, it will be winter season. Nowadays it is winter, right? And the rainy day, so you know when the rain falls so much, that is in rainy season. A rainy day, maximum we see most rainfall in the rainy season. So see your book, in the rainy season it rains a lot in most places. We use umbrellas, raincoats and gum boots to go out in the rain. It protects us from rain. So that thing you already know, right? That in the rainy season we wear raincoat, and raincoat is when we go outside in this when rain is falling, that time if we go outside, that time we wear raincoat, or we usually carry also raincoat in the rainy season when we go outside. And we also wear gum boot, and that is like in long shoe types, that it protect us from those clay, those water. It protect our legs, our trousers. So that is gum boot, that is raincoat. And also we carry umbrella we carry. Maximum we carry these things, umbrella, because in the rainy season there was no rain. After some time there will be heavy rain, so that's why we have to carry those raincoat and umbrella also. So that is about rainy season. And there you know the rainy season is that time and outside too much rain is falling, and we enjoy the hot snacks also in the evening. If in the evening there are too much rainfall, so we enjoy this hot snacks. Right, so that's about the rainy season. And a windy day. What is about windy day? You know, wind means moving air, right? Moving air is called wind. So I am now erasing it, a rainy day, and it will be a windy day. So wind means, you know, the moving air. Moving air is called wind. So when the too much air is moving, it continuously moving, that's why we call it windy day. Wind is moving continuously. So on a windy day, strong winds blow. It is difficult to walk or ride a bicycle, because when the strong wind is blowing, it resists us and it can't help to go one side to another side, one place to another place, and that's why we felt it so difficult or move on this windy day. When very strong wind blow, trees may fall down and the very strong wind we can call it storm also, right? The slow wind we call the breeze, and the strong wind we call storm. So those fast this in this windy day, breeze is blowing many of times, but sometimes we can see the storm also, and that time if we go anywhere, if we walk or if we ride bicycle, that time it is so difficult against the wind. So when very strong winds blow, that means when the storm is blowing, the trees may fall down. And as you know, storms are very dangerous. So it destroy our houses also. Those mud hut, you learned about the kacha house, right? So storm destroy those kacha house and is destroy the electricity wire and the trees also. So it's very dangerous. So that's about windy day. So weather affects our life many ways, as sometimes some months is remain winter, some months remain summer, and some months remain the rainy season. Some months are autumn and spring also. So it affects the food we eat, so clothes we wear and things we do. In those various types of season, as you already learned, in summer days we mainly take the mango, watermelon, those fruits we enjoy, and in the winter season also we take those winter fruit like orange and apple also. So those some kinds of fruits we get only in winter, some fruits we get only in summer season, and that's why that's sometimes various clothes we wear. You know that we wear cotton clothes in summer season and the woolen clothes in winter season, and the rainy season you already learned that we wear a raincoat, gumboot, and we carry umbrella. So that's the difference between those seasons also, which we wear, which we eat, and the things we do. Here one thing you have to know, that we also have autumn and spring season. As just I told you, there are one season, autumn and spring. You know, in autumn season we celebrated Durga Puja, right? So if we tell about autumn season, in autumn we celebrated Durga Puja. And there is also one season, that is spring. In autumn season trees shed leaves, and in the spring season trees have new leaves and flowers. So both seasons are not too very cold or not too very hot. So in autumn season trees shed their leaves. Some of trees, not every trees. Some of trees shed their leaves. That time we cannot see any kind of leaves in those trees. We just see their branches only. So that's why in the autumn season some trees shed their leaves. In spring season trees have new leaves. Trees have new leaves. So that's the difference, autumn and spring. Autumn, in time some trees shed their leaves, but spring season trees have new leaves and flowers Okay, and both weather is not so cold, is not so hot. That's similar in both season, autumn and spring. Okay, so you have to remember that about this hot day, cold day, rainy day, windy day, and autumn and spring season also. Summer, winter, rainy season, autumn and spring season. So there are some season we discussed about weather also. So everyone read this chapter very attentively, and the next class we will proceed this exercise part. Okay, so everyone, you can try the exercise also, and first of all you have to read this chapter very attentively. Okay everyone, have a nice day and bye.